Hey everyone, Erica with the K here. Today's video is going to be waxing my eyebrows for the first time since my septoplastic surgery. Again, it was not rhinoplasty, so I did not change my nose. So if you get a glimpse of my nose, it looks the same. It's still crooked, but I did change the actual deviated septum and my you think by now I know how to say it, they were burnt to make them smaller. I had a reduction. Okay, so there's nothing groundbreaking in this video. It's literally just me waxing my eyebrows for the first time since the surgery. It's been 3 weeks since the surgery. Exactly 3 weeks when I'm filming this video, and I personally am healing way better. I went to my appointment and the doctor was like, you're healing like a 10-year-old. You're healing way better. I'm going to have a video talking about all of that. But it's up to you. I want you guys to do what is right for you in the time that is right for you. Like I had said in one of the first videos, he told me I could take a shower, but I wasn't ready to shower yet, so I didn't. So do what's right for you in your time, but I am just waxing my eyebrows. This is something that I didn't think to do before my surgery, so my eyebrows were very unruly, as is my hair, but I've been using the biotin hair growth oil, and that's why I have a headband in, because it's just getting so long. Like, my hair is getting very long for me, so I have to like keep it back. But do what's right for you in your time. So if you're still feeling pain in your nose or your septum or anything after getting this done, don't rush into waxing your eyebrows. Just make sure you do it before your surgery so you don't have to worry about it if that's something that worries you. It might not be, but I had to get that shot in there. Look how cool that is. But I was just not feeling like myself. I wanted my eyebrows done, so that is what I did. So we had already finished one eye, and I was just talking about nonsense. And then we're going to do the other eyebrow. Yeah, there's nothing groundbreaking in this video. It's just me doing it for the first time. I do have a video coming out where I wax my lip or my mustache, and that was terrifying. I'm not going to lie to you. So be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I have new videos coming out. As much as I'm trying to not make this channel be all about my septoplasty, there are updates that happen in life. So, follow this playlist so that you guys can be updated when I have updates that come out. So, all right, that's basically it. Let's rip this bad boy off and show you guys how hairy my eyebrows were. Let's see. There you go. The other one was worse. I think one side of my body grows faster than the other side. I'm convinced, because the other side was way hairier. That was a pretty good pull. And then, of course, I brushed them up and I trimmed them. I didn't do any trimming of the top of my eyebrows. I didn't wax the area above my eyebrows. I just didn't feel like it was necessary at this exact time, but I do often do that. If you guys want to see my whole routine on waxing, I definitely have a ton of videos talking about it. Here's a tip. If you guys are still watching this and you want a tip on waxing at home, what I do is I usually put on my hot wax. So it's a little warmer. That's the one that I usually use for my face. I go put it around the house for way too long, forget that I have it on. And then when it's time to wax, I come back and I shut the actual warmer off. And that is the wax that I use. I use it with the warmer actually off, because I always forget that I have it on, and it's so hot and I don't want to burn myself. And it also gives a little bit of a thicker consistency to the wax, so it's easier to control, I think, at least. So there you go. That's the final pull. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks so much for your love and support, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.